Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald, a brave knight with shiny blue armor and a fluffy white bunny always tucked into his helmet, lived in a cozy castle beside a sparkling blue river. His best friend was Sparky, a little green dragon with big friendly eyes and tiny harmless horns. Sparky loved to play hide and seek among the colorful flowers in the royal gardens. One sunny morning, while they were having a picnic of juicy red berries and sweet clover cookies, Sparky suddenly went, "Hic!" A tiny shimmering bubble floated out of his nose and popped with a little ting. Sound. Hic! Another bubble appeared, this time making a soft plink. Sparky looked worried. "Oh dear," he squeaked, "my hiccups are back, and they make funny noises." Sir Reginald chuckled, his fluffy bunny twitching its nose. "They sound like tiny musical bubbles, Sparky." Sparky hiccuped again. "Hic!" A new bubble, this one a little bigger and rainbow-colored, popped with a bright twang. Sparky still looked a bit sad. "But I can't stop them, Sir Reginald. It feels funny." Sir Reginald had an idea. "Sparky," he said with a twinkle in his eye, "what if we tried to make music with your hiccups?" Sparky tilted his head, his big eyes wide. "Music? Yes," Sir Reginald exclaimed. "Let's pretend each hiccup bubble is a note. We can arrange them to make a beautiful song. We'll call it the Bubble Symphony." He picked up a smooth, shiny stone and pretended it was a conductor's baton. Sparky giggled. "Hic! Flute!" Sir Reginald called out, waving his stone. "Hic! Trumpet!" he said with a flourish. "Hic! Harp!" The garden filled with the gentle ting, plink and twang of Sparky's musical hiccups. Sir Reginald helped Sparky make high notes and low notes, fast bubbles and slow bubbles. They made a funny, bubbly song together. Soon Sparky was laughing so much that his hiccups started to slow down. Finally, Sparky let out one last little pop, and no more bubbles came. His hiccups were gone. He cheered, and Sir Reginald clapped. "We made a wonderful bubble symphony, Sparky." From that day on, Sparky wasn't afraid of his hiccups anymore. He knew that even something a little bothersome could turn into something fun, with a little bit of imagination and a good friend by your side. Sir Reginald and Sparky learned that working together can make even the silliest problems sound like beautiful music.
Please subscribe. Thank you.